Got another Phoebe Bridgers lesson for you from her new album Punisher. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Savior Complex. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I have more songs from this album coming up. Enjoy! So for this song, we're going to place a capo on the 2nd fret. And the first part is made up of 4 chords. The first of which is a D major chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. Next is a D major 7 chord. So you're just going to bar the G, B, and high E strings with your index finger. Next is a G major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 3rd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string. And then last is a G minor bar chord. So you're just going to lift your middle finger from the G major chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. So for the lead line, we're starting on an open D string, open A, 2nd fret low E, open A again, 4th fret A string, open D, 2nd fret low E again, then repeat. Except when we get here, we just go to the 2nd fret low E, then 2nd fret D string, 4th fret D string, then 3rd fret low E, 3rd fret low E again, then D, A, 3rd fret low E, and then 2nd fret low E twice. So all put together, it sounds like this. So the next part is made up of 6 chords, a few of which we already learned. So the first of which is the G major chord, which we learned already. Next is a G minor bar chord, which we also learned already. Next is a D major chord, which we also learned already. Next is an E major chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the G string. Next is a B minor chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. And then last is an A major chord. So you're going to bar the D, G, and B strings with your 1st finger or your pointer finger on the 2nd fret. And all put together, it sounds like this. So the last part you need to know is the bridge. The bridge is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an A sharp major bar chord. So you're going to bar the first fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 3rd fret. Next is an F sharp major chord. So you're going to bar the 1st fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. And then last is an A major chord, which we already learned. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Savior Complex. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and subscribe for more lessons from this album. Thanks.